Have you ever wondered, can I actually buy Bitcoin directly on my Beam wallet? Well, that's the burning question we're tackling today. Beam Wallet, known for its privacy focus, has a unique approach to cryptocurrency transactions. So, let's dive in and find out if you can indeed purchase Bitcoin within this privacy-centric ecosystem. Now, Beam Wallet is built around the Beam cryptocurrency, a privacy coin that prioritizes user anonymity. It utilizes cutting-edge technology like Mimblewimble to enhance privacy during transactions. However, when it comes to buying Bitcoin directly within the Beam Wallet interface, the answer is no. Beam Wallet's primary focus is on the Beam cryptocurrency itself. It's designed to be a secure and user-friendly platform for storing, sending, and receiving Beam. While you can't directly purchase Bitcoin within the wallet, there are still ways to acquire Bitcoin while leveraging the privacy features of Beam. One popular method is to use a decentralized exchange, DEX. Many DEX platforms allow you to swap between different cryptocurrencies, including Beam and Bitcoin. This approach offers a degree of privacy as you're interacting directly with the blockchain without relying on centralized intermediaries. However, it's important to note that while DEXs offer a level of privacy, they might not be as user-friendly as centralized exchanges for beginners. Another option is to use a peer-to-peer, P2P, exchange. These platforms connect buyers and sellers directly, allowing you to trade Beam for Bitcoin with other users. P2P exchanges can offer a higher degree of privacy as you're dealing directly with another individual. However, it's crucial to exercise caution and choose reputable platforms to minimize the risk of scams. Now, you might be wondering why Beam Wallet doesn't directly support Bitcoin purchases. This decision likely stems from the core philosophy of Beam, which emphasizes privacy and decentralization. Integrating direct Bitcoin purchases might introduce complexities and potential vulnerabilities that could compromise the wallet's privacy features. Furthermore, Beam Wallet's primary function is to provide a secure and user-friendly experience for interacting with the Beam cryptocurrency. By focusing on its core functionality, Beam can continue to enhance its privacy features and provide a robust platform for its users. So, while you can't buy Bitcoin directly within Beam Wallet, you have viable alternatives like decentralized exchanges and peer-to-peer platforms. These options allow you to acquire Bitcoin while maintaining a degree of privacy. Remember to research and choose the method that best suits your needs and risk tolerance. If you're new to cryptocurrency, consider starting with a more user-friendly option and gradually exploring more advanced methods as you gain experience. Beam Wallet, with its focus on privacy, offers a unique experience for interacting with cryptocurrencies. While direct Bitcoin purchases aren't currently supported, you can still acquire Bitcoin through alternative methods like DEXs and P2P exchanges. Always prioritize security and research thoroughly before engaging in any cryptocurrency transactions. And remember, the cryptocurrency world is constantly evolving, so stay informed about the latest developments and best practices. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and explore the exciting world of cryptocurrencies.